Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to mass delete emails on Gmails. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account and go to the folder you want to clean. This could be a primary, social, or promotions. At the top left, click the checkbox to select all the emails on the current page. Now notice the message at the top that says select all conversation in folder. Then click it and Gmail will select every single email in that folder, whether it's hundreds or even thousands. Next, click the trash icon. Gmail may take a moment if you're deleting thousands of emails, but don't worry, it's working in the background. If you want to free up space completely, remember to also empty your trash folder afterwards. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.